Hello everyone, I am Juhi Gupta. I am an HR professional for 12 years and I am aspiring to be a professional trainer. I have been associated with trainings during my journey as an HR. I have attended this 3 days train the trainer program through Ree-Ytal Consultancy, and the past 3 days has been spectacular for me. My best learning is that we don't train to teach, but we train to make a difference in a participant's life or in our audience life. And how I'll be using this in the coming years and my career to flow further is that I'll be involving with my audience and not inculcating. My motive would not be just to pass on the information, but to assure that that information they are getting it applied in their lives. And the best learning I have secured from here is that hard skills helps you achieve a certain level, but then soft skills help you achieve the topmost level. Thank you all.